The Focloir.ie website is one of the most popular and best resources available online for those of us who write in Irish and speak Irish a lot. And what always surprises me about it is even when I talk to people who use it all the time, there are features there that they just don't know about because there's a lot packed into that website. And there's one particular thing I wanted to talk about today, which will transform how you write and speak in Irish, or has the potential to do that anyway. And it's a feature that, the more I talk to people about, the more they're amazed by how useful it is. And it's quite a simple idea, which is that the dictionary, this English Irish dictionary at Focloir.ie, is preloaded with the pronunciation for most of the words that are in there. So this is audio files that are preloaded into Focloir.ie that will tell you how to pronounce a particular word. So if there's a word that you're looking for, you search for it in English to find the Irish equivalent, and then you're not quite sure how to pronounce it, then you can just click on three little letters that appear beside the results in the search page after you search. And those letters are C, M, and U, and you wouldn't think to look at them that there's much behind them, but each one, when you click on it, would trigger the word being read out loud by a native speaker from the three different dialects of Irish, so Connacht, Munster, and Ulster. So that's what the C, the M, and the U stand for. And especially for people who might be learning Irish, or people who might be coming back to the language after a few years from school, might be going back to teacher training or something like that as a mature student. That's a godsend. Those files are so useful in terms of just being sure about the pronunciation of a particular word, particularly some technical terms that have come into the Irish language in recent years and mightn't have been taught back in the day when people were in school themselves. So even for a native speaker like myself, and even for someone like me who's been helping people write in Irish with software like Whalespin and Inish and a new package called Gaelgram that's coming soon. I've been doing that for nearly 20 years, and it's really only now that all these resources are coming on stream that can really transform how we actually learn the language, write the language, and speak the language. So I just wanted to mention the pronunciation feature that's hidden in plain sight in Focloir.ie. And of course, you might be very comfortable with your Irish language pronunciation already, which is great. And what I'll be doing in my next video is looking at the other resources in Focloir.ie, and in particular, the grammar information that's also hidden in plain sight. So watch out for my next video. I'll be covering how to find grammar information on Focloir.ie in a really quick and easy way. So listen, I hope that's useful. I hope that helps you write and speak Irish better this week. And yeah, Sinead, subscribe to this video, leave a comment wherever you're watching it, and I'll talk to you again soon. Slán go fóill.